Brittany, I told you we should not touch this topic. See? She's lost. Sure, we have to do this. No, we didn't. I told you to risk and you just prefer not to listen. We have to hurry. I already told you like 10 times already. Like all this whole week. We need to do this. We need to find out what happened with that girl. But she's lost. She's not lost. She's right there looking for someone to help her find her shoe. What are you talking about? About the witch? The witch that ran her brother. Do you remember? Oh no, but I was talking about Jennifer. Jennifer's coming right now. Like in what, 10 minutes? I don't see her. Well, anyways, I told you not to do it. We need to do it right now. People are gonna come and help us. Like Jennifer, she's gonna come and help us. Wow, we need to go find. You know what? We need your shoe. I'm not gonna eat my shoe. How about you bite your little nipple? I can't reach. Oh man, like. Well then, bite my fingers. No. Don't please. I already have enough with you. So, now, we need to go find out what. Oh, look at Doggy! Look what I see. Oh, no, this is Doggy. Yeah, it's a dog. It's a dog, believe it or not. It's because, like. It does. It goes like. Okay, stop. Alright. We're thinking about the witch. Oh, yeah. What witch? My mom is a witch. She's always like, pick up that! You're this! Hang up the phone! I told you to pick up your towel. Yeah. Huh? Oh, I listened to everything you just said. Really, like, everything. I'll go and tell that to your butt. Maybe that will believe it. Did you listen? Good. What is it? Oh, you can. How about you use the sun to burn your eyes? The sun? I don't reach the sun. Wanna see? Whoa. Fly up a wall. No, we need to remember the project. Do you remember? Oh yeah, I have a project that it was this Monday. I'm talking about the witch project. Oh my god. The Selena one? Well, how about if we get going now? Yeah, we need to go before even, like, Jennifer comes. She's gonna come and run everything. No. Where am I doing that? What? I don't know, but my stomach hurts and I want to fart. Yeah, you want to fart? Dude, what's the restaurant when you want to fart? I mean, yeah. You. I'm sorry, it's because I'm sticking to my phone. There is a leaf on the floor. I'm about to go to my friend Brittany and Tori's house, and we're going to do a project on a witch. Hey! Hey Jennifer, did you find any help? Yep. You scared the hell out of me. So where are they? The house? Oh, they're coming in an hour. In an hour? We're in an hour? We need to do this like now. I mean, what the hell? You just making me like hang? They said that. I don't know. You can call them. I'm scared. But anyways, are we going to do it? She's scared. Yeah. Can you believe that? Let's go.